Healthy recipes for weight loss and muscle gain. Weight loss and muscle gain often go hand in hand. There are certain recipes that are excellent for both and will typically involve a reduction of carbs, and recipes that are more oriented towards fiber and protein. Following is a list of the top 3 recipes for weight loss and muscle gains. A protein source along with some leafy greens are often the best option. 1. Salmon and asparagus. Salmon is a complete protein food. It contains all the essential amino acids. It also has considerable amounts of omega-3s, which have a host of benefits, such as increasing brain health and reducing inflammation. The dish is easy to make. Purchase 1 fillet of wild salmon and a large portion of asparagus. Grill the salmon for 10 to 15 minutes and garnish with some thyme, coriander, and lemon dressing. The asparagus should take a similar time to cook in a baking tray. Put garlic, olive oil, salt, and pepper on the asparagus before baking for 10 to 15 minutes. 2. Poached eggs and spinach. Eggs are one of the best weight loss and muscle gains foods on the planet. Their nutrient profile is incredible, and studies have proven eggs to be an excellent weight loss food in comparison to carb-based breakfasts such as bagels. Getting poached eggs right can be a challenge. To start, you need fresh eggs, not more than a week old, or else they will not poach correctly. Add some salt and organic apple cider vinegar to boiling water and stir the water in one direction. Then place your free-range eggs, and they will poach perfectly without sticking to the bottom of the pan. The spinach should be sautéed in a healthy fat such as coconut oil or ghee and served on the side. This super healthy recipe will take less than 7 minutes to complete, but it is one of the healthiest available for weight loss and muscle gain. 3. Sirloin and broccoli. While there is some controversy surrounding the health benefits of red meat, it is still the best food on the planet from its nutrient profile. Additionally, a recent study from McMaster University in Canada concluded that diets high in dairy and unprocessed red meat fare better than any other category, contrary to the current beliefs surrounding red meat consumption. However, make sure you are using the right type of sirloin. Select grass-fed, high-quality meat, either a sirloin or some lamb chops. 2 or 3 times a week will revitalize your body without any significant risk. Grass-fed beef contains protein, vitamin B12, heme iron, zinc, creatine, carnosine, and even omega-3. Consume this recipe only 3 times per week. While this recipe is healthy for weight loss, most of its advantage is geared towards muscle building. Grill a high-quality sirloin cutlet to the preferred texture and garnish with salt and pepper. Cook the broccoli in water for 10 to 15 minutes and add some grass-fed butter or olive oil along with some salt. There is a significant number of researches which indicates that carbs and proteins do not go well together. However, when you eat red meat with greens minus the carbs, it will digest more easily and be assimilated better into the body. Ultimately, this will result in more muscle and less fat. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.